Hey, what's going on, everybody? Patrick Hawkins here with the Hawkins Collective inside of the Worthmore project. Old Marky Mark with Phoenix Estates is up in the kitchen getting some stuff done. But I wanted to show you guys this room that they finished up. This is what I see. There's Marky Mark. So I wanted to show you guys this room. So this was the garage. I've been showing you a lot about the garage because I thought it was super cool to reinvent this garage into an awesome finished space. So you see here we have a closet, we have a little mechanical room, and these three big gorgeous windows here letting in just a lot of light. But this is an awesome fourth bedroom. This is a kid's playroom and office, whatever you would really want it to be. It's just an awesome extra. Some extra space. And I'm gonna take you down into the basement. So here's the basement. So if you would have seen this thing before, I didn't make a video, but if you would have seen this thing before, it was, wood panel galore. It was all, there wasn't any of these awesome shelves that go all the way around. It was just blocked off with storage behind doors. It was very closed off and not real pretty. Now it looks amazing. So now not only do you have that fourth bedroom / den, now you have a full finished basement as well. And also, I want to take you outside because you guys haven't seen the backyard yet. So we're out back. So what Mark did here is take a look around. Kind of backs up to woods, which is really, really cool. Backs up to woods. Put a nice finish on top of the fence, a nice black finish on top of the fence. Looks really slick. Redid this shed here, white and black, to match the black trim of the windows that they painted. The siding is really pretty. I know you just saw some that's missing. It's just because they're doing some work over there, but the siding is actually really pretty and in really great shape, and a really good, great color for the house. So they kept the siding. It needed really good cleaning. And then look, so many pretty flowers. That's what everybody likes to see when they come home. He's gonna put a deck out here, out the back, right? So you walk out that little level there. You're gonna have a deck out here. That's really nice. Outdoor space. Then, lastly, I'll show you where we're at with the kitchen space. So, boom! Look at that. So before, this was completely closed off. I think I've said that before. But this was completely closed off. It's completely open right now. So it just really, when you come in here, it's way different from most of the houses in this neighborhood, I'll say that. Some really nice vinyl flooring. There's Mark working on the stove, throwing stuff at me. And then upstairs, I'll show you upstairs real quick, because they got the carpet in. So it's all carpeted, painted, bathrooms. I was asking what that red stuff was here. Mark said it's waterproofing. I didn't know that. I'm not a contractor. And then here's the master. So it's kind of hard to see with my phone. But it's a pretty sizable bedroom. And you have your closet and another full bathroom. Master suite. Everybody loves the master suite. So that's what Mark's giving them. All right, guys. The next video I make will be the finished product of this house, the Worthmore project. We cannot wait to get this house to the market. Some lucky buyer is going to get a great home. See ya. Here you go.